Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I wanted to talk about wheel hop. I just got these new tires recently, and what's happening is I'm starting to experience wheel hop. With the factory OEM tires, the car was spinning a lot more, and the wheel hop was, I didn't have any. This car's tuned with Ktuner Stage 2 and a catted downpipe, just if you're new to the channel. So I wasn't getting any wheel hop with the factory tires. I was just getting quite a bit of wheel spin. Now, since I put these new General tires on here that are a little bit wider and have a slightly thicker sidewall, it seems to be that I'm getting better traction, but now I'm experiencing wheel hop. So basically, when I accelerate hard or the car like automatically downshifts, it's getting like a chopping kind of an acceleration. You could actually hear it in the exhaust note. I'm gonna actually see if I could show you on the gauges what it looks like that it's actually doing. Maybe you could hear it in the exhaust. I could hear it in the exhaust. I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick it up or not. So I'm going to show you what the car's doing, and I'm going to show you what the solution is. A lot of people are doing it. It's not secret or anything like that, but I'm going to show you what the upper torque mount looks like. I'll show you where it's located on the car and which one I'm going with. So let me see if I can get a clip on what the actual car is doing, and then I'll show you how I'm going to solve that problem. I was actually able to replicate it, thank God. At first, I actually had a hard time doing it. For some reason today, the tires are hooking up really well. I'll show you a few clips where it hooked up well as well. I think I did a couple of digs. And I have the other ones where it actually did get the wheel hop, so I can show you what's going on. I'm gonna show you where the mount is located under the hood, and then I'll show you what the replacement part looks like and which one I'm going with. So let's go outside to the car and I'll show you what the actual motor mount looks like. Okay, so this is your factory mount located right here with just a couple of 14mm bolts, and here's the bracket that helps hold it on over here. So this is the whole thing. It's just like a hard composite. It's not even metal. There's a rubber bushing here. The one I'm going to be replacing it is all billet aluminum with a thicker, much harder polyurethane. So I'm going to show you what that's all about. So the one I decided to go with is the Hasport bulletproof Kevlar. It's the 62A. There's also a, let me just look at my phone real quick, an 88A, which is more of like a race option. Basically, the stiffer you go with that mount, what's going to happen is you're going to get a lot more vibration in the car. The 62A is the street trim. The 88A version, which is a much harder polyurethane bushing, is going to cause a lot more vibration. It will be stiffer. It'll probably help put power down a little better, but for street trim, I'm not gonna need anything like that. I don't want too much vibration in the car. As you all know, I'm extremely picky with stuff. You could also do the lower mount. Right now, I'm just gonna work with the upper mount, and hopefully that fixes my issue because it's not that bad. So I'm gonna do that one first, and hopefully I won't need to do the lower. But in an extreme case, I may need to, then I'll do the lower mount as well. So I'm gonna test the upper one first. I'm gonna throw a picture up exactly what it looks like. I'll show you where I got it. I actually placed it on order. Right now there is a 2 to 3 week back order on it. So I ordered the thing about a week and a half ago, I'd say. So I should be getting it in the next week or so. And then I'm gonna put that in, and then I'll do some testing on it. I'm also not doing my new dragy test due to the wheel hop, because I don't want to cause any damage unnecessarily to the car and have the motor slapping around, because sometimes it's worse. Today it's actually not very bad at all. I wasn't able to replicate it well, which is a good thing, but nonetheless I think it still needs it. So I'm going to be putting that in, and then I'm going to be doing the dragy quarter mile and 0 to 60s again and see how much better the tires actually are, because everybody wants to see it. I want to see it. So that was a good test to conduct, but I'm going to have to put this motor mount in before I do that, because I don't want to cause any damage to the car in the process. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll be more than happy to answer the best I can. I'm not a professional, so I'm just going through this as I'm building the car, and I'm finding out the shortcomings or the strengths of the car. So right now, once adding more power and stickier tires, the motor mount is starting to become a weak point, so that's why I'm replacing it. So thanks for watching, guys. I will update you on what's going on as I keep going through my build. And take care. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.